Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, I will show you how to change the screen timeout on your Samsung Galaxy phone. The screen timeout refers to the period after which the screen will automatically turn off or go into sleep mode due to inactivity. This option helps save battery and prevents unwanted touches on the screen when not in use. Without further ado, let's get started with the process. First, open the settings. Then, scroll down and look for the display option and tap on it. After that, scroll down until you find the screen timeout option and tap on it. We've reached the final step. Now, you just need to choose the timeout duration according to how long you want the screen to stay on before becoming inactive. I will choose 2 minutes. That's it. Very quick and easy. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications about new videos. See you soon.